Hello guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time coming out to the channel, I say very big welcome to you. Welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and copy the link also and share, And if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you also copy the link and share. Bam! Okay, then again, I want to make you understand that if you want to buy your skincare recipe or organic or cosmetic, we have all them original. You can easily place your order via the number on the screen. Yes, you understand that we ship everywhere? Try to understand that we ship everywhere. Wherever you are in the world, we ship everywhere. Then in this part of this country, we deliver everywhere. Yes, online, we deliver everywhere. Okay, don't forget, we're raising another new shop. This one's gonna be awesome. The new shop we just raising now. New starter, whereby you can come and get your items. And this one is closer to the people in Yanakbaja area, Akuwajan, all those part of the world. Because the one we'll have is the first one is at Ojota, So this one I try to make because they say, oh, it's too far. So I'm bringing this store close to you, these guys. You guys really push me. Anyway, it's a nice one. Okay, and a quick one, yes. If you having a skin problem or any kind of skin irritation, you can always contact us so that we can treat your skin for you, okay? I want to show you a very quick way that you can make some lightening product, not whitening. Yes. Because people they will say, oh, why only whitenings? Oh, can't you maybe come on, give us one lightening product? That's what I want to tell you about this lemon clay. You can see this lemon clay. Okay, lemon clay. This is a lightening product. This is a lightening agent. You can see. Are you getting it? Then this is the tube, right? And this is the oil. So if you add these two together, in your lotion, 500 ml of your lotion, trust me, something gonna change in you. There will be a change. I don't want to go in details because I told you I don't discuss that too much anymore. If you really want to know in details, come to my WhatsApp. Let's talk. But I'm just giving you bam ASAP. Do this. Put them in your lotion right now, right there where you're sitting, and start using it. In few weeks, there will be a shift in your skin. Very newborn baby skin gonna come up. And please, I will advise you, don't bleach too much. For those of you bleaching, don't bleach too much. Because you see me now, you guys make me like, oh, use your cream, use your product. You see me? I was quite dark all the way. And you see me now, like, they just forced me to use my cream. In 14 days, after 14 days, it went to 21 days. In 1 month, I got change up to now. Are you getting it? So, but I'm not like somebody who really wanna get fair like you. So I will be going back to my color. I just did this to tell you how powerful my cream is. So when you achieve a color like this, if you achieve your desiring color, what I tell you, you discontinue any cream you're using. For those of you who I want to tone, I want to be like so lady. I don't want to call names. I want to be like this. I want to be like that. I want to be. Don't go beyond your capacity. At least I'm only telling you the God spectrum for the fusion. When you get to 50, 70, you not want to, wouldn't I be doing this, Just a bit is okay. We just look, you're fine, it's okay. In as much I want to make the ladies beautiful, I always tell you the truth also. So please, 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 go with this, put this in your lotion. Just go do it now, right now. Thank you. That is that. Okay. Now, next time I'm having knuckle problem. Have you tried this? Look at it. Go try this. If you're having a knuckle problem. You see? And apart from you using to mix any other cream, sometimes pick it in and apply those areas we have the knuckles. Just apply this area where I have the knuckles. Yes, keep doing it. Keep doing it for 2-3 weeks. Just keep doing it. You will see a change. You will see a change. Definitely rapid change. You hear me? It's working. It's working. It's working. Fine. Then again, I've told you about this Irish Mega 9 water cooler. Yes. Look at it. Irish Mega 9 water cooler. It's for redness, baby. It's for redness. For those of you who have redness all the time, I've used this, I've used that. I've used this, I've used that. Come on, get this. Get this. Yes. Get this 1 liter. It will always be in 1 liter. Don't say I want to use 500 ml. I want to use 250 ml. No, get this. All you just need to do, you put it in a bowl. I get and just apply or bring a warm water and you add it to it in a bowl. Then pick your face towel, put on it and use it to dab the affected area in your face or your body for 2 weeks. You see, it will suck all of before you know the redness fade away. The redness can be caused by maybe too much stress, or it could be a hereditary problem. I don't know, but most times it's caused by too much stress, and a body type quite different, so I will advise you, to use this, all these are yellow CC family to use this Mega 9 water cooler, when I mean Mega 9 water cooler, this is it, baby. So that is that. If today your first time coming to this channel, you're welcome. Don't forget that. And then again, we sell everything you need in skincare, in cosmetic. Yes, baby. Yes, I'm the only man who always want to make the ladies beautiful. If you have any skin problem, feel free to talk to me on my WhatsApp. Place your order now. Place your order, because we say everything we all sell is original. A lot of people, because they say, your price, blah, 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 blah. They go, after that, they go to the back and buy the cheap ones. Guess what? They come cry for me. Oh, sorry, something happened. The one I got was bad, and I went, how did that concern me now? So why do you want to tell me about that now? Am I the one who asked you to go buy fake things? Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Okay? So, I want to tell you this again. For those of you who say, my accent, like, you talk like this, it tickle my ear, it do blah, blah, blah. Oh, Charlie, I don't come here for you. I'm just trying to cut across the whole globe. I won't come in here for you only. So why you trouble me? If you know your ear tickle you for my, whatever, how you take, like, my English, yeah? I said, leave my channel. You can. It's very easy. You can, you sound rude when you say some things. Drop in my comment. You say some things. You sound rude to me. I respect you all, but you do respect me. You don't like my English? Fine. If you're not okay with it and you don't want to talk to me in private, then delete yourself from my channel. So above that, I love all y'all. So best in peace. All of us, we in peace. If you don't want to do this, just disengage from my channel, okay? All right, so that's the end of the class. Like as I told you, the man that does skincare thing, everybody said, and I always want to make the ladies look beautiful. I've given you good tips today. When you rubbing creams, please remember tomorrow, okay? I love you all. Bye bye.